Today we're going to be doing a teardown of a Samsung Book 2 360. So we're going to start the teardown here. We have 4 screws and they'll be right underneath these 4 pads. So let's get started with that. We can just take a plastic spudger, pop them right out. And here I'm using a Phillips 1.5. Alright, next we'll go ahead and pry up the back cover here. Take a suction cup. Alright, so that's the back cover right there. Alright, and here are the internals, and we'll just slowly start working on it. Looking at the screws here, it looks like they all use the same screw as for the cover across the board. So we'll first start with disconnecting the battery before we start on anything else. And I might as well start disconnecting all these ribbons. Alright, first thing we'll do is we'll proceed with unscrewing the screen here. So we will have these 4 screws here.
Hey, this is Joe from the Sauna. If this video brought you value, please support us by buying parts, tools, refurbished electronics, or sending your device in for repairs so we can keep offering you free repair tutorials. Back to the video.
Next we'll go ahead and we will deal with the fan here. It's next to the heatsink. Next we'll pull out the battery. Except we got 4 screws here. Alright, so the nice part, there is no tape underneath, just screws holding it down. Alright, get the Wi-Fi adapter next here, just one screw. Go to the other side for the Wi-Fi adapter. We'll go ahead and disconnect the speakers here. Next we'll pull out this larger board here. We got 5 screws, potentially more if the heatsink goes through and down. We'll leave the heatsink on. And if you would like, there's also the SSD right here, where you can just remove it with 1 screw. Next we'll take the subboard out here. This is as far as we'll do the teardown. but you can also pull out touch sensor here. So just a few screws there. And the trackpad is left, as well as keyboard. That is the teardown of the Samsung Book 2 360.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.